What's up guys, my name's Chief and I'm here with United Danish Gamers Airsoft. In today's video, feet, shoes, racket, and more feet and shoes. We are a bunch of guys based in the northern part of Denmark and we enjoy gaming, airsoft and also the occasional beer. On this channel you'll get airsoft gameplay, gaming gameplay, beer gameplay, you know, videos of us just having a lot of fun. The first game is Team Deathmatch, endless live and 20 minutes of gameplay. Bear in mind I'm new to this game and not the most aggressive player out there, so I'll hard cut the video for you guys. That's my good friend Thomas, aka Tulip.
Hvad talte de bukser, Tul?
And this is another friend of mine, Tausen.
Bag dig nu, Tausen. Jeg har ikke set, om der er nogen der. Ja. Yes. Yes.
In the meantime, Tausen has been shot and he's returning to the game, and this is one of the reasons I don't play aggressive yet.
Godt, Tausen. Du er inde på midten også. Jo.
And there's no reason for you guys to see my tactical reloading skills, so let's just cut that out.
Wait a second. Vi har en, der skød på den anden side af det blik her, sådan lige den der vej fra. Han bevæger sig helt ned mod højre. Jeg ved ikke, om han er død. Ja, hit!
After respawning, I meet up with Towson and we decide to try out a new tactic and move up to the center of the map.
Skal vi blive herude, eller? Er vi nede i bunkeren? Har vi nogen der? Jeg må ikke skyde nogen dernede. Ja.
And here we have midnight.
Har du skudt nogen, Karsten? Ja, et par stykker. Ja. Jeg trækker over til bygningen. Høj satan. Der var en, der havde øje for mig. Ja. Ude til højre, ja. Satan. Det var tæt på. Ja, hit, for helvede. Start bag.
Alright, second round. This time it's a point capture game. There are 2 flags and we need to knock them both down before the time runs out. I've switched the position of my GoPro to a sportsman mount on my ASG CC Scorpion Evo A1 BET carbine. So prepare for feet, shoes, racket, and a fun boost at the end. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.